Full instructions, click the gear icon on the OmniShield app, then click Help. First, inventory your OmniShield equipment. Next, download the OmniShield app. Locate your comlink device in a central location, then connect it to the internet using either Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Fill in your information on the app and make sure to list Delegated Insurance as your OmniShield authorized dealer. Find the sensors by touching the gold plate on the back and the button on the front at the same time. Customize a location on the app by touching Edit. And be sure to keep track of which sensor goes where. Continue activating each additional sensor. When placing sensors in their designated locations, you might need to use a level to find the grade. Press a button on the comlink to exit bind mode. After installation, test each device by pressing the button. You should receive a text notification for each. Installation is now complete.